Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So there are two ways to know if someone blocked you or not. The first way, guys, for example, if this picture of person doesn't appear and also his the last scene doesn't appear, so that means this person is blocked you. Okay, this is the first way. The second way, if you want to make sure that 100% this person blocked you, now you need to create a new group and add this person. So for example, go here and create a new group and then add the person or the persons that you want to make sure that's blocked you. For example, this person, and then tap next and give a name of group, for example friends or test or something like this, and then tap create. Then go to the group and scroll down. So if this person has been added to your group, that means this person doesn't block you. But if doesn't add any group, that means this person is block you. So this is how you can know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.